Welcome to Easy Cooking with Don Juan. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious chili. Because you know fall is here and it's time to eat some good old chili. And if you haven't had my chili, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 8-ounce can of tomato paste, 3 cans of wolf chili with beans, 15 ounce, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of cumin, a half of a purple onion, a whole green bell pepper, chunky garlic and onion, tomato sauce, beef stock, green onion, sour cream, and cheese, and Lipton onion soup mix, and chili packet. And when I get everything set up, I'll be right back. And now I'm about to show you how to saute your ground beef for your chili. You need 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 teaspoon of cumin, just a little bit, not a lot, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, your red onions, just like that, and your green bell pepper. And just saute it together. Stir it around, mix the flavors up, let it marry together. Let it marry together, let it combine. Just like that. It looks good and it smells good. We're building flavors upon flavors. And when this ground beef is done, I'll be right back. And now I'm about to show you how to put your tomato paste in your chili. I already got my cans of wolf chili in here, mixed it with my ground beef. Now you put your tomato paste in there. It's going to help the flavor and help darken your chili some more and thicken it up a little bit more. Just like that. Now I'll put my chili packet in there. Just like that. You don't need it all, just need some. Put some beef stock in there. I'll say about half a cup. Just like that. Half a cup of that. And your Prego meat sauce. Just like that. Give it more flavor and everything. Excuse me. And just stir it around. Let it combine and mix together. Stir it around, mix it up, make sure everything's mixed together. The tomato paste will melt down in your chili. And when this chili is done, I'll be right back to show you the finished product. And now I'm about to show you the finished product of my easy and delicious chili. Now look at it, y'all. Look at this chili. Ooh, look at that chili, y'all. Look at that chili. Oh, yes. Look at all that good chili. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh, nice and hot. Smells good. Ooh, my goodness. Put you some sour cream on there. Y'all don't be scared to put your sour cream on there. Yes, indeed. Put your cheese on there. I got me some Mexican cheese. We got 5 different cheeses in it. That's why I picked this. Look at that. Ooh, wee. Look at that, y'all. And put your green onions on there. Let's garnish. Look at that. Now tell me that don't look good. That looks good. That smells good. And I know it's going to taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with Don Juan, all you got to do is like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.